Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you not subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold. So if we take a look at this movement, at first gold was literally trending to the upside. Also follow the telegram channel. I'll put the link to the telegram channel in the comment section. So at first gold was literally trending upward. Right now, it looks like there is about to be a change in trend, whereby if markets eventually drop and break this low here, believe it will continue to drop massively. So have it in mind that gold is about to fall, gold is about to sell. So watch out for it. I think the buy is over. So let's just see if markets will break below this low, which is more visible on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this tends to serve as a support level. So let's keep an eye on this gold at a level of 4228. Once market breaks below it, expect a pullback to pay out to retest it. Once the pullback eventually pays out to retest it, then what you should be expecting next is you can now hop in for the sell on gold, and gold will keep tanking. If not, it will likely just push up, which I think it will do, because when you see something like this, this is our low, this is the pullback, this is also the drop, this is the pullback, this is now the massive drop. So one thing you should be expecting is a little bit of a pullback, then possibly a drop. If it does not give us that drop, it will likely push up. So stay updated. I'll be giving you guys the updates next.